Right. Okay. So let's wrap these things up with, we talked about mostly ASPICE. We touched a little bit ISO 26262. We touched a little bit ISO 21434. None of these standards, to the best of my knowledge, addresses autonomous driving.
Right. Yeah.
And autonomous driving, as we can anticipate, as we can already see, not anticipate, that it's coming sooner than we anticipated, right? So, and the standards that are even coming next year, like ISO 21434, is not addressing autonomous driving. What do you think the right a roadmap for the industry? Are we going in the right direction? Are there activities? How do you see that?
Yeah, I hope you're going to the right direction. Yeah? So one challenge I see is that all these standards you mentioned are more or less developed independent from each other. Yeah? Not completely, of course. So the security standard will be based on the function safety standard, for example. We'll reuse some of the concepts and processes. But if you just compare SPICE with safety, some people do not really understand that automotive SPICE is demanding the standard quality management. Yeah? You cannot fulfill functional safety complete if you do not fulfill the basics of a good software development. Yeah? So without reaching a certain SPICE level, typically I will not accept any safety critical project if they cannot prove that they follow certain processes. So the dependencies between these standards must be evaluated. So the standards have to come closer together. Yeah? There's also a high-level quality management standard in automotive industry. It's the IATF 16949, defining the main requirements for a quality management system of a company. And in the latest version of that standard, also the development, especially the software development, plays a very big role. In autonomous driving, software will play the main role. Software will define how the vehicle will behave. And in these more or less old-fashioned standards, like the old ISO TS 16949, software was only one part, beside all the mechanical and electrical parts. But you cannot ensure the quality of software during production. For all the other parts, during production you can establish a lot of quality measures to ensure that these kind of parts are produced in a good quality, in a good way. For software, you have to ensure this during development. The software quality is reached during development phase. So you have to find ways and methods to ensure the quality of the development, and to combine them with the quality expectations of all the other domains. And that's a good point with the IATF 16949, that software development is now highlighted. And I already work on the approach to combine the non-software standards with the software standards, like the ISO 26262 or the security standard and autonomous SPICE with the IATF and all the other standards. This year in June we will do another workshop at the VDA Automotive Sys conference in Berlin, where I invited IATF people, experts that worked on that standard, VDA auditors, 16949 auditors, and also of course automotive SPICE experts, in order to discuss and work on an alignment or combination of the approaches. Because IATF auditors have to understand how software works, how software is evaluated, in order to be able to judge if a company is also able to deliver good software quality.